Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a thumbnail. So let's get started. First thing is you should go to the YouTube studio. Go to the videos. And then whatever video you want to add the thumbnail, you go to that and press the pencil button details. And you go down. And if you want to add a mail, you should add it in your folder and then upload it, or else you can use the canva. You just go to Google, write canva, sign into your account and make your own. And now instead of uploading image, you directly going to go to my video. This video. And then I'm going to go to an app called Snipping Tool. And then I will snip tool this thing. And then after I'm done, save, downloads, and when you're done, close it, go to your Canva, uploads, this animation will be this thing. You should not really do it, but then I'm just showing an example for the video. And you can snip to anything you want and add it. Okay, when I'm done with that, you come here. Now I'll go to the text. Add an editing. Let us edit everything first. Then I drag it over here, and you can write it in any way. And now, alright. Increasing the size, turning it, making this thing small, and then you copy it, add any color you wanted, which is favorite for you, underline, I use a blue color. Yeah, then you add another one, add a subheading, turn it, better game than Slither.io. And then what all things you want to do, you can do. I'll again the blue color, underline it, bold. For this also let me do a bold. Okay, we can't do a bold for this. So when you're done with this, you can add like, a picture of a snake or something. Snake edition, last snake. You go here. Yes. And this time if you should not snip tool, save image as, downloads, and then you make it a little smaller. Go to the, what is it called? Videos. No, not the videos. Go to uploads, upload an image and a video. You go to download, the one which you download right now. Okay, and when you're done with that, you add it, put it somewhere over here. Yes, perfect. Okay, and now when you're done with everything you wanted to do, and also you can add backgrounds for this thing. So what should I add? Is this a good one? No. Yeah. Yeah, this is a better one. Okay. And now when you're done with that, you can see a download button over here, right? At the top right corner. You press that. And then download. Okay, and then you go back to the video, edit video, and then you go to upload thumbnail, and you're done. And then press the save button. So the thumbnail is like a kind of a thumbnail is a kind of a picture which comes on your screen. So like this thing you see, after some time it will change to like the thing which I made in Canva. Let me reload. Yeah, it did not finish. Now see, this is the one which I made. Go to the YouTube studio, videos, and this became like the picture. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share it with your friends and family. And also nowadays I'll start giving questions for the day. And today's question is about maths. It's about like the Roman numerals which I asked you. So I'll ask you, what is 8549 in Roman numerals? You can just pause the video and see what is the question. 8 8549 in Roman numerals. And when you know the answer, you go to the comments and write the answer. Okay, thank you and peace out.